In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to expand from Amazon USA to Amazon Japan, or wherever you sell. I'm going to show you how to expand to Amazon Japan. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, you're gonna log into your Amazon Seller Central account. You're gonna go to inventory, and then you're going to go to sell globally. Then you're going to go to Asia Pacific. And this is where you can expand to Japan. You can see the registration is incomplete here. So you click continue, and this is where you fill out. Amazon's just going to identify you with things like your passport, your bank statements. You need to have an international chargeable credit card, things like that. Click continue, get registered in Japan. That's the first step. Once you're registered in Japan, it's going to have a little green check mark, which means you're awesome and you can start creating your listings. That's going to be your next step. So all you have to do is go to this drop down, click on Japan, and then start clicking on catalog, add products, and start adding your products from the USA to Japan. Make sure it has the same ASIN, the same UPC code. Most of the information needs to be identical. That way, when you create the listing, everything looks the same and the reviews convert over to the Japan marketplace. After your listings are created, sometimes it takes 24 hours. Then you're going to simply make sure that you convert them to Amazon FBA. You're going to right click or left click and click change or send or replenish inventory. So this is where you send the inventory into Japan. You're going to fill out all of the information and print the box labels. So Amazon's going to show you the warehouse, the actual Japanese address where the items are going. You're going to put this on the box. Let's say you have a box of 20 units, put them all in the box, tape the box up, put that Amazon label on it, and then you're going to go to ups.com, tell UPS, hey, this is where we're shipping the item. It's on Amazon's label where the item's going. UPS is going to ship it out. They may ask for a commercial invoice. UPS provides templates for everything, so it's super easy. And then you're going to have the Amazon barcode, tape on the UPS, bring it to UPS. Boom, you are good to go. And then the last thing is Amazon's going to need that UPS tracking number. So you're going to go up into inventory and then into shipments, and then you're going to plug in that UPS tracking number. After that, it should get into Japan just fine. You'll receive calls and emails from UPS since they're always on their game if there's any issues, but most likely you'll be good to go. Once that's over, you'll be ready to sell in Amazon Japan. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, please do drop a like and subscribe if you're already an Amazon seller, because these videos can help you not only expand internationally, but help you increase your sales on Amazon. Feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group if you need help with any of this or expanding internationally. We've done it with over 50 clients now to expand to internationally to different countries. So we know exactly what we're doing, what requirements they ask, and which freight forwarders are good and which ones aren't good. Talk to you soon.